Let's start today discussion Cob Web model of stable equilibrium. Here I'm going to discuss about how market works, how consumer will produce or how consumer will respond to the market. So here I took example as a green chili. Anybody can take green chili or paddy, anything, paddy, wheat. Okay, so I will start now. Here the Cob Web model. Cob Web. Cob is na, in Kannada we say Jedara Parade, means it will go on moving until it reach equilibrium at point E. So you can see here. I will take this. See, this is good. Here, uh, in the green chili market, producer will bring a quantity of green chili on the basis of last year what he saw the demand a price in the market. On the basis this year he will cultivate that one, and that will he will take that quantity to market in next year. Means that's why we call it a supply P T, time period P, price time period minus 1, means you will see this yesterday price, yesterday or last year price. On that basis you will bring the quantity to market this year, okay. And what is the meaning of DPT? Means demand. Demand will be created, or demand is meaning consumer wanting the product on today. You will buy the product on the market, seeing the price of product today. Let's say now we can see that dal prices are increased per kg 200 rupees dal. So what buyer will do? So buyer what he will say, so he will take on his he will take dal on the basis of pricing today. If he wanted 1 kg dal, he is seeing price of 200, what he will make? He will take half a kg or uh, ha, 200 gram, 300 gram, 100 gram. Okay, so that is called PT, demand equals demand PT. Then here quantity on x-axis and price on y-axis, and at price at P1. Here I will explain you the graph I am drawing. Supply curve is steeper, demand curve is flatter, and at P1 consumer demanding D1, supplier bring quantity S1 quantity. Sorry, graph made wrong, I will write it correctly. Supply curve steeper and demand curve flatter. At P1 price, we will bring quantity to market S1, and consumer demanding D1, and with excess demand in the market D1 to S1, consumer will ask producer to sell me at D2 so that I will buy your excess of D1 to S1 quantity of commodity. And with that D2 consumer demand, supplier will say that, see, I can't sell you with a very less amount at P2, at P2 price, at D2 amount. So he will think that, so now you see the price in the market, right? Less quantity demanded by consumer. So what he will think for time period 2, he will this is Q1 S1. So what you will think for next time period? You will think that you will bring quantity to here Q2 S1 supply, Q2 S supply. So here you will bring Q2 S2 supply with the reduce in the quantity excess demand created by producer. Now consumer will say that, see, you are creating excess demand, my uh, my demand is elastic, it will not going to change. Demand is elastic means demand, that demand will be stay at the same like that only. So you will say that for your S2 quantity I am ready to pay D3 amount, D3 amount. Okay, with the increase in the price P3, now supplier will say, so if you are ready to pay me D3 amount, I will bring the quantity to S3, S3. Okay, so we are bringing quantity S3 here. Now with excess supply created by the producer, now consumer asks, if you want me to buy S3 quantity, you have to reduce price to D4 here, D4 price. So for that one, with a reduce in the price of a quantity, now producer will say, see, I am not going to sell you in D4 S3 quantity, I will reduce my quantity as S4. Not, I am not going to sell you as S3, I am going to sell you as S4. Okay, so for that, now what consumer will say, so since you are reducing quantity, right, so with reducing the quantity S4, now I am ready to buy you D4 D5 price at P3, at P4. Okay, so in this place the both will be go to equilibrium. I am constraining myself to D5. It will keep on going on. It keep on moving until they both are reach equilibrium. So that's why this moving curves are called as Cob Web. I hope everybody understood what I am going to tell you. If anybody have any doubt, please comment down below on this video. I will come with a next video, or I will make changes, or I will